Okay, I got a bee swarm coming in, and I'm going to try and get a picture of it. Well, video of it. I just got home, looked over here, there wasn't a bee in sight. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I'm putting the groceries away, and I hear this buzzing. I think, what the heck? Look at those bees. They're just trying to move in. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm standing here because I have a bee suit on. I'll show you. I have a bee suit on. And these bees have swarmed. They're swarming. They're going in downstairs. I got a big thing I got to deal with over this next week because I've got a guitar to repair down there. And I got bees that moved in. I don't even want to open the door. Not even in a bee suit. Oh, Lord. Yep, they found someplace really cool to move in. And, oh, Lord. This is the third or fourth swarm I've had trying to move in my house. And, oh, Lord. I keep saying that. This is going to be a trip. Well, okay. There's bees all over the air. This has been one heck of a bee swarm season. So, I guess I got to deal with that. Oh, Lord.